Could lack of vitamin, a common vitamin, be linked to Alzheimer's disease or other dementia?
That seems to be the conclusion of a new study, and as CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez explains, the risk is higher in African Americans and Hispanics.
Sunlight and diet are the two main sources of vitamin D. Many people also take vitamin D supplements. Still, having a low vitamin D level is very common. So researchers from Rutgers and the University of California, Davis studied a racial and ethnically mixed group of 382 older adults with an average age of 75.
About 60% of the group, regardless of their race or ethnicity, was low in vitamin D.
Dr. Miller also knew that as a group, older adults are at a greater risk for mental decline.
As the population ages, the fastest growing segment are the old and the oldest of old. And with that is an increase in the risk of cognitive dysfunction and outright Alzheimer's disease and dementia.
Could that mean cognitive decline and vitamin D are related? The study group had their vitamin D levels and cognitive function measured at the start and followed over a period of 5 years.
Some of the subjects had outright dementia, some had mild cognitive impairment, and some had what we would call normal cognitive functioning.
The study appears in JAMA Neurology.
Those who had dementia also had lower vitamin D status than those who had mild cognitive impairment or who had normal cognitive functioning.
Those low in vitamin D declined more in short-term memory as well as the more complex thinking tasks.
They were declining about 2.5 times faster than those who had adequate vitamin D.
Now, the study does not prove cause and effect, of course, but given that vitamin D may also strengthen the immune system, may help prevent cancer, and is definitely essential for calcium absorption, some experts suggest you ask your doctor about taking a vitamin D supplement, since most of us in the northern hemisphere are pretty much deficient in vitamin D.
And wear sunscreen if you're going to get it from the sun, right?
That's right. If you wear sunscreen, you're not going to get vitamin D from the sun.
Careful out there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doc. Well,